morning, everyone. Yum! Outfit change. It's a double decker! I want to go with us. Where are we going? Brussels and Bruges. We're going to Belgium. I'm taking Eurostar for the first time.
Oh, I didn't know this was your first time.
That's why I'm like so intrigued.
Oh no, it's fun.
Yeah, it's so fun.
And we're going underwater.
Yeah.
In a dark tunnel. English channel. Wow, it's like a little bit delayed this thing.
Yeah, they can teach you how to do it. Good morning, everyone. Hey, vlog. We're gonna go. Let's figure out where we're going because we crossed the bridge. Oh.
Everyone tell me how to do my hair. Leave a comment below.
Yeah, leave a comment.
I can't figure it out.
She can't figure it out. She was trying. Alright, this way and then over there. Yummy. You want to try it on first?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it's just
We're currently at a market doing some damage.
Oh no. Is it cute?
It's so cute. Look at yourself.
I can't.
No, right here in the. It's really cute.
Very nice, like the jeans, my jeans.
Yes.
Yeah.
Song. Timmy, it's so cute. It's so cute.
So could I get a mirror? Oh, I see it.
Hey guys, Paulina takeover. Why is this like camera so weird?
Can I try your
We're doing so much shopping. Yeah, try it. Okay, we're back. Paulina takeover. Currently at a market in the square. But basically, Timmy and I are doing a lot of shopping. That's the damage.
First things first. I love my jacket too.
These feel like
Belgium.
yes. 365. What am I made of money? Yes.
Acid. This is bar.
What's bar?
This guy. Outfit change.
Well, I'm the same.
Oh, I'm outfit change because
She's outfit changed. You look so cute.
I love this.
I love it.
Literally, I love this.
So good.
Okay, let's go. Let's
So
go.
good.
Let's go get waffles. We're gonna get our first waffle of the trip. It smells so good. Much better. Yeah.
Like it's not sweet.
Oh, right there. Waffle.
Yeah, I love it.
That's strong.
I like mine.
Mine's strong.
Mine's delicious. You wanna try?
Okay.
I don't think I'm gonna like yours because I feel like
Oh, ooh, I like that. Oh, I actually like this.
I can taste tequila. Last day in Bruges. Sorry. So today's goal is to go on our boat ride. And then go get a shampoo from the pharmacy. I really like the shampoo. I'm gonna check
the chocolates.
Oh my god, yeah, I forgot. I need to get the really pretty chocolate.
Yeah.
And then we'll get one more waffle before we conclude our trip. And then she needs a beer. But yesterday I was sugared out. That was too much sugar for me in one day. And then we're gonna just enjoy the rest of the day at Bruges because the sun is out. Okay. Oh wow, it's actually
Part of the church and the rest of us. The company is Brugges since 1923. They chopped off later that and also had direct houses in Bruges are still today open. It gives you a 360-degree panoramic. They imported wool from England and made socks and exported it. The first part of the bridge is from the 15th clothing and linen
so red.
as well. Honey, sugar.
Chocolates are so pretty. And I'll get the 10 pieces, please. Could I get the creamy chocolate? A coffee? Blueberry jelly? Could I get the banana? Did I choose the Costa Rica yet? No. Again, the Costa Rica. Okay. Thank you. Head over to get our final waffle and then head back to London. Thank you. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I got a classic chocolate.
Milk chocolate.
Chocolate.
I think that I got a choice.
Nice and warm.
Oh my god.
And burn.
I think this chocolate's just a lot better.
Taste that. She already tasted it.
Tastes like beer. Hey besties, Paulina takeover number 2. Tammy is currently trying to decide if she wants to put the camera over there to get a really good outfit.
Timmy's on a mission to get the best shot.
Thank you for watching.
Don't embarrass me.
Enjoy the rest of the video.